Okay, we're back again. Now we have a wire we can stick in. But the end is a bit crooked. Darn it. Okay, let's try it now. Okay. Well, look at that. It goes way down. So I guess the problem is not in there. Okay, so we'll put this back together. I'll have to try something else, which may be very difficult, you know. You have to go down under there, take apart pipes down in the basement. Well, at least I saved a plumber from having to do this part. There it goes. Oh, I don't understand what I was just doing. Oh, I know what I was doing. Okay, we'll turn it on. Maybe it works. Maybe we dislodged something. Okay, so this and this is fine. This is the one. Sounds like now it's in the basement. We don't have a basement. We only have a crawl space, which is on sand because this house is built on a sandy foundation. Come on, why won't you come do this? Okay. Okay. So we'll go back and we'll turn on the water. We may have a flood in the bathroom, but luckily there's a hole around that pipe and any water can just soak down. Okay, here we go. Water's not on. So this is still not getting water through. Must be somewhere else. It works on the sink. Have to go down the basement, I guess, and take parts. But those are all copper. I did them all with copper. Or just get a water softener system that will clean out the pipes. All right. Bye. It was fun, wasn't it? Yes, it was more fun than digging up time. Yep. Not really. That's why I put it off for 3 years. Okay, bye.